guys, welcome back to another episode of the Budget 4x4 Life. Today is going to be a real good one. I've been wanting to do this for ages, so today is finally the day. Alright, so we're basically going to talk about doing a full LED headlight conversion on your Pajero, whether it's low beam, high beam, parker lights and your fog lights. I'm going to go through all of them and show you what I've been running for the last year and a half. And the previous owner actually installed it first, so it's now well over 2 years. So I reckon today's review is going to be a cracker. So without further ado, let's get into it. Awesome guys, so like I just mentioned, I've been running this for over 2 years now, and so far it's been extremely reliable. As you guys know, I do a lot of beach driving, corrugated roads, forward driving, and so far it hasn't rusted out or started flickering, which means it's a pretty awesome light. I'll quickly dive into the specifications as well. Now, these come with a 3-year warranty and also 100,000 hours. Now, that is pretty awesome considering it's an LED headlight, right? So it's extremely sharp. It comes in at 9,000 lumens. Now, that is actually not significantly brighter. It's only a bit brighter, all right? But by talking a bit brighter, I mean it's not that sharp that oncoming traffic will think you're on high beam when you're actually on low beam. So that's a pretty good deal about these headlights. They are very sharp, but they're not so sharp that you're going to annoy other drivers on the road, which means it's nice and legal here in Australia as well. It only uses 72 watts of power, which is not a lot of all, and that kind of makes sense why it's rated to 100,000 hours, because it doesn't drain a lot at all, and being 9,000 lumens, it's going to be nice and sharp, but it's going to be a very efficient headlight as well. So yeah, that's basically the specifications about it, but let me show you quickly how to install them and what they look like. Awesome guys, so here you have it. This is the headlight that's been in the car now for 2 years. As you can see, it's still in perfect condition basically, because there's actually nothing wrong with it. There's no rips in the lines. The dust cover has done its job because the actual LED is still nice and clean as well, and that is pretty important because you don't want any dust or water coming into your headlight when you're driving off-road or on-road as well. At the back you can see it comes with a fan as well. Now that is just basically to keep the LED nice and cool, making sure it doesn't burn itself out. So let's get into the installation. Now basically it's just plug and play. As you can see, this is the plug right here. Now all we're going to do is plug it straight in like that, plugged in, and now you just want to put it inside the car. So there's basically two slots. Now one is low beam, one is high beam. So low beam is the projector light and high beam is on the right hand side over here. So make sure to buy 2 sets if you want to do low and high beam because they are separate. And if you want to do fog lights as well, that means you'll have to grab 3 sets. Alright, it's now available on the website as well, so after this video you can jump online, and the more sets you buy, the bigger the discount will be as well, so keep that in mind. Just plug that straight in. As you can see, it now sits nicely in there and no dust will get in because you can definitely see it seals. Once you've done that, it should be in, and you basically just do that with all 3 lights. And happy days. After that, it should look like this. Like I said, for the fog lights, it's exactly the same as the low and high beam in the headlights. So yeah, definitely make sure to grab 3 sets if you just want to do a full LED conversion. In that way, everything looks the same and it's going to have the same brightness as well. So it's going to look really good at night, as you will soon see in the videos. I used to have very cheap ones in here, but as you can see, they just broke and corroded. And yeah, it was terrible. So save your money, don't buy cheap stuff, just buy these ones. They are very affordable as well. So yeah, very happy with them, and everything's gonna look the same on the car. Right guys, and last but not least is your parker lights. Please do not forget them if you want to do everything LED. Alright, now these ones are like 3 times brighter than the standard parker lights. I was actually shocked when I saw the standard headlights of the Pajero because they were nasty. Like when I turned on the parker lights, it was like nothing happened. Alright, whereas these ones, if you turn them on, it literally looks like it's low beam. They're that sharp. As you can see, it's a aluminium construction and there's a heap of LEDs around it, which means you'll have a 360 view of light and then just project it on the ground, as you will see in the video shortly. It's very good. So yeah, they'll be on the website as well, and so yeah, make sure to grab them, because trust me when I say they are sharp, and it also comes with a 1-year warranty. So just thought I'd tell you about that as well. Awesome. So installation, as you can see, it just plugs straight into this black one over here. It's just on the top right hand side of your headlight, or top left on your left, right? That makes sense. And yeah, just make sure you turn it clockwise and it will hook in and sit nice and neat in your engine bay like that. So yeah, once you've done that, let me show you what it looks like at night.
Awesome, so let's start with the standard Pajero. Park light is on, can barely see it, low beam, and then the high beam. But see how it's just focused in the middle and not really spreading to the outside. Now this is the LED headlights. So park lights is already much brighter, as you can see. Even low beam, look at that beam, it's nice and straight and super sharp. And then there's the high beam. Look at the area that it's covering, it's massive. I had to even zoom out just so you can see how far it goes. Now there you go, this is the standard Pajero on the left and my Pajero on the right. And as you can see, this is all the lights on, and there's a massive difference in terms of the standard lights and the LED headlights.
Awesome guys, so there you have it. As you can see, there is a massive difference between the standard headlights and these LED headlights. I mean, you can probably tell that I'm super stoked about them, and they are, in my opinion, the best value for money LED headlights that you can buy on the market today. I feel especially sorry for those people that spend $200 on a set of headlights. If you're probably watching right now, don't feel bad, we all make mistakes. But yeah, nah, in all honesty guys, I reckon it's a very good headlight set. And yeah, if you want to grab yourself one, make sure to jump online right now. And yeah, links in the description. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to comment down below what you reckon about this headlight set. What sets do you run? Are you happy with it? I'd be keen to know what you guys think. Awesome. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.